What do you think about the movie Avatar?
I just loved it.
Hmm.
One of the best movie, if I say,
Hmm.
and it was amazing. And the way they were portraying thing, it was fabulous.
Hmm.
It was
It's a
like
James
I
Cameron
was
movie.
amazed. Yeah,
James Cameron movie. He
yeah, yeah,
makes
yeah,
movie
yeah.
very
Yeah, you told me about.
yeah rarely. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And when he
It's
does,
amazing.
he makes the
You
most.
guys should watch it definitely. You will love it.
I don't know why we never watched it
Yeah.
until it is like
Maybe you were waiting for me so
Yeah.
that we can watch it together.
Yeah, so when the Avatar movie came, like, I don't like it. I don't like these tall people. I'm never going to watch it. Okay.
No, it's amazing.
And then I was studying that same Alpha Centauri, and I thought, okay, came across this that Avatar is actually made keeping that theory in mind, and I
Yeah.
thought that let us watch that. It was a very small part,
Yeah.
but the scenes were very good. Like you are able to see multiple modes.
Animations.
And yeah, and the idea itself, it is not that much of a space fiction movie now, is it? It's not really a space fiction movie. To some extent, yeah, it shows that you're traveling through space.
Yeah, but it can be possible in future, no? So,
Definitely.
Like for now, it can be fiction, but in future, it can turn into reality, right? So basically, I think the things which have been portrayed there, that is completely true. Like the way humans reached there and already native species were there. They were like humans only, but in different form. They were very tall and very, very good strength wise.
Athletic.
Yeah, you can say that, right? And that was that was the very beginning of their civilization, right? And humans reach there and they try to occupy the space, and then the war happens like that. So these kind of things, that is reality. Humans have tendency to fight over land and like that, occupy spaces, and that's the same thing that they did there, right? So when they reach this planet Pandora, right?
Yeah.
So that's the name of planet is Pandora.
Yeah, it's a fictional name. So
Yeah.
Borderlands 3 is coming up, and their planet name is also Pandora. So there's a chance that they have stolen it. But anyways, Pandora basically means a box which is having some secrets within it or something very valuable. So that planet actually had some very valuable rocks in that, which is
Yeah.
costing very high over there. And in that movie, it is shown that Earth is almost dying. So you are going to require resources, but we have become smart enough to occupy other planets. And it is shown that they are at a very early stage of their civilization,
Yeah.
and they are just trying to figure out how to hunt and all, and these people are there with rockets and all.
Yeah.
And while watching the movie only, I started to argue, I don't think like humans are actually going to do this. Why would they kill these people? Like, we don't like to kill animals and all over here in our planet. Why would we kill anyone which is living? And then Komal said that yeah, those rules and all would come afterwards, after we have settled.
Yeah, after a lot of wars and like that, when people will finally think that okay, this is not happening, we should just sign some treaty where every nation and every planet will agree to peace and will not do some war activities like that. Same happened, no? World War One.
Afterwards. Yeah, because
Yeah.
Nazis were not thinking about human rights and all when they just gassed a bunch of Jews
Exactly.
inside a gas chamber.
Yeah.
Right? They were killing humans. Forget about animals.
Yeah.
Forget about aliens. So sometimes it is kind of sad that is this how humans are designed? That
Yeah,
they
so imagine, Ashish, if you are here and some aliens come here
Try
in
to
this world,
occupy.
yeah, in this world, and try to occupy this space, how threatening that would be for us, right? And same for them, right? They are in the very beginning of their civilization. They don't even know that what planet is exactly, right? And they are seeing that they are calling humans the sky
yeah,
sky
those,
people,
those who
sky
came
people.
from sky, like
Sky people. They used to
basically
call sky people
the
because they
ideas
used to come in helicopters and
come
they are
from top. Yeah.
yeah, like that, right? So that is so threatening, and that is, if that is going to happen, so I don't think so anyone should go to another planet, and these things should go further, because I think nothing is permanent. And I feel so, it may sound like pravachan, but I feel so everything has to be vanished off ultimately, and everything has an end. Even if we go to another planet, then that will go vanish, and there will be end. There will be end to this universe too, right? And to all the universe.
Maybe
and
when we will be reaching very close to the end of the universe, we'll try to get to another universe.
yeah, maybe it's okay, Ashish. Like it will, like all the universe, I'm saying.
Hmm.
Maybe like one day all the universe they'll be wiped out.
Hmm.
Right? So then what will you do? Ultimately, these things you are going to be wiped out and nothing is permanent.
Mhm.
So basically, why not when Earth is going to be like seems to be in destructive manner,
Hmm.
and
Just like give
human
up.
species are
Give up, man. 5 years more, we'll die.
yeah.
Like that in Interstellar also, that was the point where humans had reached, and that your planet is just wiped out of all the resources. But in that one song, Tool, right, so that song also showed how God came, and we have talked about that
Yeah.
in this podcast only,
Yeah.
that how humans are just bound to fight each other.
Exactly. That will happen. That is human nature.
You remember that Naruto, when Senju Hashirama was awakened, and this, what is it, Orochimaru, he tells him that we are at the middle of war, and then Senju says that, my God, war no matter what era we are at, right?
Yeah.
So we have been fighting more than we have been living peacefully. If you
Exactly.
look at the past, like World War One happened, okay, close to a decade of silence, and then again World War II happens, okay, we are good now. Then Cold War happens, and okay, there's an Indian versus Pakistanis, there's Indo-China war,
Yeah.
there's sometimes Kargil, there's sometimes Jaisalmer, there's something or the other. Then
Yeah.
there are other countries occupying Iraq, and then South Korea, North Korea. There's always something going on, right?
Yeah, Ashish, do you wonder why do we call our space agency Indian Space Research Organization?
Hmm.
Like we want to label like we are Indians, or NASA like we are Americans.
Hmm.
Why can't
ESA,
we? Yeah, why
ESA is
can't
actually good. ESA is like we are Europeans, but still.
why can't we be united? Why can't we like the World Space Organization?
Yeah, we were talking about that once, that they are going to go to Mars and we are all going to have a
Yeah.
single ground. Same goes with the colonization of Moon also. But yeah, listen, man, your space agencies are having different names. When you go to Moon and land over there, you're planting a flag over there, literally planting your flag that this land is ours. That is some monkey shit.
So that you can see, like
Yeah.
you can see the sign.
Yeah.
Like what are they going to do in future?
Yeah, they are.
Maybe what will happen? Maybe they'll discover some new things. Maybe they'll discover some minerals
Yeah.
and some nutrients there,
Some
and which
resource.
can be very beneficial. Maybe to increase our increase our age.
Hmm.
Like maybe it can help in tripling our age,
Hmm.
right? And you never know what can happen. Maybe it can treat many non-curable diseases, right? So what will happen? The country which will step their foot first, they'll try to control it. Right, they'll say that okay, now we are charging this much money to this country, and now you have to do, like, they can do anything. No,
Or do-
every country will run after him.
Can you look at it as this way also? Like when they showed that Alpha Centauri, Pandora, people are going over there and they're taking out resource. They're not actually talking about a particular country, where they were talking about a company who has colonized that place. So like right now, if you look at the topmost people like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, or even Ambani and all, these people are the richest people. So in future, maybe the superpower won't be countries. The superpower will be these companies. Don't you think so? There was a movie on Tekken. All right, so Tekken is a game. You know, I played it a lot. But they made a movie on Tekken. And in that movie, they actually showed that the countries have dissolved. But now the companies are ruling various areas because they are having the maximum amount of money. Right, so these companies, you see, space has already been privatized. So you know what is awesome about Elon Musk? He can actually sit on his rocket anytime and leave this planet, and he's going to be fine. Who else has that power, man? This is why Elon Musk is awesome. He does not require any certificate. Yeah, obviously they will say that how did you just leave this place? You will require something, attestation from United States, because you are actually at that land. But let us say Elon Musk says that, to hell with all of you guys, man. I'm leaving this place. I'm having sufficient resource stored in the spacecraft. I'm leaving. We'll see each other later. Maybe never, right?
Yeah.
So these private space organizations in future will become so powerful. Already it has been proven.
They'll control.
Yeah, they
they'll
will go
control.
to new lands and they will
Yeah.
occupy the space, and they might allow the countries
New
to
type
have some
of war
access.
will begin, Ashish.
It won't
Here
be-
people, earth on people, if suppose everything is going to wipe out and we are aware of this fact, so what will happen? Everyone will rush like, I need to leave earth, I need to leave earth. So everyone will be like, maybe it will turn into
I'll
war.
pay you $1 million, I'll pay you $1 billion, take me
Yeah.
with you, and the companies becomes richer.
Yeah, it's like
Right.
that only.
And the United says, sorry, Joe Biden has no more power anymore. Like, these people are just going to go away. Like
Yeah.
these, okay, you have a planet, that's cool. Sorry, you have a country, that is cool. I'm having a planet over there, so I'm going to go over there, and these people want to come with me.
Yeah.
So the power dynamics
Yeah,
changes.
these things have no end, Ashish.
So is there any hope for human race, or we are going to keep on fighting?
Just stay on earth, guys. You're going to die ultimately, so just accept this fact that
No,
you're
no.
going to vanish off one day.
What I'm talking about is, like we have talked about before, that we keep on fighting. Or is there a solution or a middle ground that we can actually live peacefully in future?
Sorry?
All of us, whether on this planet or some other planet. Is
We
it?
cannot live peacefully, Ashish.
You think that-
Otherwise, our soldiers would not be standing near LOC or like that.
Yeah.
Fine.
Hmm.
So that kind of thing will happen.
Yeah. If you ever wonder that we have reached a peaceful era, just look at your army. That is funded
Yeah.
heaviest by your country, and
And after that also there are casualties.
they're dying.
Yeah.
People are actually dying. There's surgical
Civilians
attacks.
are dying, soldiers
Civilians are
are dying, everyone is dying. Ashish, I'm just remembering about this thing. One day you were telling me, Komal, don't you think so that you only asked me that